Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Glenn, of course, right? You've been tracking along with us in driving math, and hopefully we can drive some of these things home for you. These are our inequality signs, okay? We have our less than, greater than, not equal to signs, and then we have the less than or equal to sign. We have the greater than or equal to sign and the approximately equal to sign. Now here we have absolute value. Now that is not an inequality. What that means is that you'll see these symbols. Okay, you see these symbols, and it simply means what is the distance from zero. And that distance, of course, distance is always measured positively. So I gave you an example. So absolute value of -6 equals 6. All right, so we're going to, in the quiz section, you're going to have some numbers, and we're going to say this number is greater than or less than or equal to these particular numbers. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section, email me, whatever the case may be. I'm here to make sure that this goes as simply or simple as possible. Okay, and if you're just watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, okay, and share it and make a comment there as well. And all those that need tutoring, feel free to holler at me. I know that's not like a teacher word, uh, but I want to help you once again. We're talking about set of numbers in absolute value, sets of numbers that can be compared to each other. This seems a little bit simple, but the main part you want to pay attention to are the words. Okay, less than, and you'll use this symbol. Is less than, you'll use a different symbol. So make sure that you understand when it says less than this number. Okay. Thank you for your time. Have a great day and keep driving, keep trucking. I haven't figured out what to say yet. All right. Have a good day. Bye.